Hello, what is the weather like where I am located?
Will do. The weather in Hinesville, GA on Tuesday is cloudy with 60 degrees Fahrenheit and low precipitation.
Could you show me a picture of tigers and list 5 fun facts?
Let me grab some pics. Getting images. Searching for fun facts about tigers. Here are some fun facts about tigers. 1. Tigers are the largest wildcats in the world. 2. They are carnivores eating only meat. 3. Tigers are solitary hunters, generally searching for food alone at night. 4. They are excellent swimmers and enjoy spending time in the water. 5. A tiger's roar can be heard as far as 3 kilometers away. These creatures are truly fascinating and among the most magnificent animals on our planet.
And that is the French voice that I have. Alright, long time no see, everybody. It's me, Rozzy, Zemi, Lewis, whatever you want to fucking call me. What's up? Today I'm going over the Rabbit R1, the custom voice instructions, even though my, face is in the way of this, prompt. But, so, TLDW, too long didn't watch. Here's my personal custom voice prompt that I used, to let everybody know that watches this. Yes, I did read the fucking manual as far as how 11 Labs goes. The only thing I'm not too sure about is whatever prompt Rabbit R1 on their side, or Rabbit Inc. uses to accept the instructions given to it, and then it goes to 11 Labs and then customizes it. But my notes here, as long as you have a tone of voice or an accent, a description, and a reason. So for the description, like, of course, accent is a place of origin. As you can see, I have a French woman. If you put young, that's an adjective. It'll make it a young Spanish woman, a young American woman, a young Canadian woman, and it'll try to. I haven't tried Canadian woman. I did try South African. I tried Indian. Those worked, and they came out okay, but of course not to my personal liking. Um, the description is utilizing an adjective slash persona. So if you want them to embody something, then definitely use adjectives. And by adjectives, I mean a more emotion type words. You could have them sound angry, happy, confused. And the reason or like style, the use case, um, that I've tried, it definitely does still make a slight change upon their voice. Um, and I have changed all these, as you can see, uh, as far as what comes after the accent, the description, the use case, and style, to see if there was any actual differences. Um, if you could look at the bottom, the use, greater than break time equals 1 second slash fucking less than sign after each paragraph. The reason I put that there is because in 11 Labs, with their instructions, you could be able to program in break times. So I'm going to assume when this goes into Rabbit R1's, let's say, LLM, if it understands how to interpret that and put it into the instruction box in 11 Labs to where it changes the voice aspect, then, or you might have even heard it because I'm going to put the other video in front of this as far as what my actual young French woman that speaks back to me is, then there is that. You do want to make sure there's pacing. If you want to have certain punctuation, emphasis, context prompting, which kind of the context prompting is more towards the persona aspect of what I've messed around and found out with. And yeah, no, the advanced sliders is for 11 Labs specifically. So you can be able to put inside of the rabbit hole, as an example, she says with confidence from the research she did. So that's like a little example that if you did post something, the fact that it's she says with confidence, it already gives the LLM behind the thing an idea of, okay, well, it's a woman, she says with a confidence, and she does research, which kind of gives it an idea of like, this may be a therapist, this may be a doctor, this may be of somebody that is doing research, has confidence in what they're saying, and yeah, it'll create a persona off that. But that's pretty much it for this video. I do suggest this blueprint just because it makes it easy and simplistic. I know my last video I did with the UIs, I'm probably going to go over that next time I get time. But especially when you actually go into the rabbit hole and type up stuff, the more precise you are and specific, and you don't try to be as how do you say, broad with terms or hyper specific, I think the better results you get back. And I'm not sure if anybody else has talked about it, but that's what I've been finding as far as the generative UI voice. But yeah, it doesn't even have to be as detailed as this. Honestly, for everything below the accent for my own custom voice prompt, I just put it into ChatGPT and told it like, I want a persona or a personality for a young French woman that is a helpful assistant. Could you fill in the colons after the description, the use case, and the style? And ChatGPT, I told it to give me a list of 5. It gave me 5 back. I messed around with those for about a good couple hours, and I found this, especially when it comes towards the use case, really specifying a role for the young French, the young French woman, as far as tech support, professional presentations where clear communication is key. The results I got back from that sounds very well put together. Also, when you are doing an accent, if you hear the numbers, they're probably going to do the numbers in their natural language rather than the English language. So it kind of threw me off for a bit because that's what happened when I did the South African and Indian accent. But that's really it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this new feature like I did. I was actually quite surprised the results I got back, even from changing the voice through the Rabbit R1. But pretty cool. I hope they keep coming with newer things, and I still have to fucking find time to use the lamb and the teach mode. I'm sorry, but I don't know, dude, or madam, one day I'll get back to that. But y'all have a good day. Deuces.